Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I will be going to discuss about my problem statement of essays, Smart India Hackathon 2023. Like in this video, I will be talking about what are the idea or upload details that we have for our problem statement, main technologies that we use to build this website. Coming to our problem statement is 1433, Ministry of Education. Our problem statement is mental health and well-being surveillance, assessment and tracking solution among children. Our team name is Hope Allies. First, to build this website, we need to study about mental health of children and well-being surveillance of them. We need to study about the main key points of the mental health, like depression, anxiety, bullying, emotional regulation, attachment and bonding of to others. After studying about the mental health, we need to collect the data by following the data privacy regulations, considering the ethical consideration of the data. Like after collecting the sensitive data, we need to maintain privacy and security for the data. And after collecting the total data, we need to clean and extract the meaningful features from the data for analysis. Like using machine learning and data analysis, we will clean the data and extract the meaningful features from them. So first, let us see the idea that we have for this problem statement. Like coming to our website, when the user comes to our website to track their mental health, we'll ask them to sign up or sign in. So after signing or sign up, the backend work will verify the password. If the password is correct, they will go into the website. If the password is wrong, they need to re-enter the password. Entering into the website, we will provide some of the details of mental health issues, like how many students are suffering from this mental health, or how many students are suffering from the depression, like how many students overcome this depression in the past few days. Like we provide the basic details of the mental health to build confidence in the students. After scrolling down to the website, they will find an option to take the quiz, like MHT, mental health test. In this MHT, we will ask basic details of the student who is taking the quiz, like what is the name, what is the age of the student, so that we can provide better results to them according to their age. Students started to take the quiz, the MHT, mental health test. We will ask the questions based on their situation, like what are the mental health issues they are facing, and they will ask basic questions, and they will ask into the deeper and deeper questions, like what are the issues they are facing, from how many days. The questions will be shifted according to their answers. After further questions, the machine learning will understand the situation of the student and provide the solution to them. Like based on the previous data, machine learning will provide the better results to them. So completing the quiz, the machine learning will take some time and analyze the data and provide them the better outcome, like providing the YouTube links, providing the medicine or therapy that they need to use to overcome this mental health situation. And this is the one option that we will provide in the website, like MHT mental health. This is one option. Like another option is like providing counselors. Like we'll contact with the mental health counselors, like who are dealing with the student mental health issues or depression or anxiety, like these issues. Like we will provide the details of the counselors. Like we provide a chat box which they can chat into the website. If the situation is bigger, we will try to inform the parents. Like if the age is below 18, they cannot manage the situation, so we'll inform the parents. So if the student age is above 18, they can manage the situation. So the counselors will inform the students that what are the therapies they should follow, or the counselor will track the daily situation of the student, like calling them or chatting with them. And the counselor will also provide the confidence to overcome this situation. If the student age is below 18, we will inform the parents like about the situation by counselor, and the parents will take care of the students. We will provide the basic details of the counselors, like name, mobile number, email address, etc. and etc. so that counselors also can charge money according to their situation. So the business will be generated, and the part-time job will be given to the counselors. Like in this way, so situation the student is facing will be also overcome, and the counselor will be also given the part-time job. And this is the second method that our website have. And the third method is FAQs, frequently asked questions. Like we'll take these questions from MHT or counselors or some other parents and some other students who are facing from this issue. Like we'll provide so many questions, like what is mental health, what are depression, what is anxiety. We'll provide so many questions. If the student comes into FAQ session on the situation that they are facing, they can read whole description about this situation that they are facing. If they are satisfied, they can get the outcome there. If they are not satisfied, we'll inform them to take MH, like mental health test, or we'll tell them to contact the counselors. Like we'll provide so many FAQs. The FAQ session also will not only provide the description of the question, we will also provide the solution how to overcome this situation or etc. and etc. belongs to that question. And this is the third one that we will have in our website, like FAQ session, frequently asked question section. And the fourth one is mental health study about mental health. If the student doesn't have the mental health issues and they need to study about the mental health, they can come into our website and they can study about the mental health, what is mental health, what is depression, what are the precautions we need to take to avoid mental health. And study mental health session, we will not only have the mental health study, and we will also have the case studies that students who have more mental health issues and they have overcome the situation that they have. We will also include the case studies, more and more case studies, so that they can be confident, so that the students can be confident. And see the fourth one that we have in our website about study about mental health. And coming to tracking, like when the student take MHT mental health test, we'll track them by their situation. Like the students should take the quiz daily every day, so that they can track, so that we can track the situation of the student easily, and we can update the situation to them or to their parents. Like counselors, like coming to the counselors will update their situation by tracking, by talking to them or by chatting with them. They can update their mental health situation, or that is also a tracking. So the main four sections that our website have. Like there are some other small sections, like mainly we'll focus on these four sections. We'll also collect the basic details from the student who is registering into our website, like their name, their age, and their email address, their phone number. The student age is below 18. We will also collect the parents' details. By collecting the age, we can also analyze the data, like what are the situations the students facing between the age groups, so that we can provide the better results from our website. So we look into the technology that we use to build this website. For login page, we will use HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, React.js for the front end, and back end we will use Python or Java and PHP. For passport security, we will use Node.js. For authentication, we will use JSON Web Tokens. For front end, we will use HTML, CSS, JavaScript. We will use HTTPS to secure data between client and server. We will also use MongoDB to store user profile, basic info, etc. Also use it to store the MHT mental health test assessment data. And MongoDB also can be used to store the data that analyzed by the machine learning. We will also store the articles, videos, educational content, and we will also use the MongoDB to store the remedies to overcome the situations. We choose MongoDB because it's easy to integrate, or it is very flexible, and it has scalability, and it has JSON like documents. For backend, we will mainly use PHP. So server side logic, PHP can be also used to handle server side logic processing and business operations. It is also connected to MongoDB and process the data. API development, application programming interface also we will use that communicate between the front end and back end. We also handle the user authentication and session management, and also can verify the credentials given by the user, and also manage the sessions and protect the data from the hackers. PHP can also be used to process the data submitted by the students from the mental health test or counselors or FAQs. PHP can also assist in the data managing, including data retrieval and manipulation. PHP scripts can fetch and update the data stored in the database, like assessment results, education, other info. Data encryption, we will use HTTPS. For data security, we will only access to the authorized ones. Role-based access control, RBAC. User authentication and authorization, we will implement secure user authentication mechanisms such as password hashing and salting to protect user accounts. We will give regular software updates. We will input validation. We will back up the data to ensure privacy. We will monitor the login sessions of the students. Coming to the main point, why machine learning is used in our website. Like what is the use of machine learning? ML learning to analyze the data which we will get from the mental health test and from the counselors. We can also do natural language processing using machine learning for text-based responses in assessments or in conversation with students by counselors. Next one is predictive analysis to anticipate potential mental health challenges, guessing stages by details, etc. and etc. We will use machine learning so that we can give better results to the students. By using machine learning, we can also improve the quality of the data by cleaning and enhancing the quality of the assessment data. We can also auto-detect by using machine learning, can detect unusual or unexpected patterns in assessment responses, like lagging, potential indicators, content personalization. Analysis a student's interaction with educational materials and assessments are from the counselor. The system can recommend content that aligns with their learning style and needs. These are the main technologies that we use to build this website, and this is the idea or approach detail that we have to build this website and overcome this problem. Counselors also can earn a part-time job from the website, and they can also earn money. Or we have an idea to add gold membership to this website so that we can provide more better futures to the students who will take gold membership, and we can also provide them the better and better results. Finally, coming to the team details, we are a group of 6 members with 5 boys and 1 girl, and we are participating from the Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore. Second year in the Vellore Institute of Technology, Vellore, and we are from the Computer Science and Engineering branch. This is what I would like to explain in this video. I hope I explained about the idea, approach details clearly, and business model of our website clearly, and the technologies that we use to build this website. Thank you.